To align your projector lamp, click on the Installation button and then on Lamp Alignment. In the window that pops up, you can monitor your projector's lamp output by means of a graph, which provides both real-time and historical data. When you move your pointer over the graph's markers, the corresponding luminance values in foot Lambert will be displayed. With the slider underneath, you can zoom in or out on the graph. In addition, you can check the Auto Zoom checkbox, which will automatically give you an overview of the last 15 measurements. Underneath the graph, you can also adjust the graph's refresh rate. There are two ways to align your projector lamp, manually and automatically. If you activate the Manual tab, you can adjust the lamp position on all three axes, Z, Y, and X, by means of the buttons on the left. The changes you will make will immediately be visible on the graph. If you prefer to perform a fully automated lamp alignment, all you need to do is click the Start Fine Alignment button, and all adjustments will be done automatically for all three axes consecutively. This automated lamp alignment is a great feature to help you maximize the lamp output of your projector. Note that automated lamp alignment is only available if your projector is fitted with a motorized lamp house. But also if your projector doesn't have a motorized lamp house, the visual graph will be a very helpful tool to accurately align your projector lamp and achieve optimum lamp efficiency.